Hello from the Balm in Gilead. I am Pernessa Seal, the founder and the CEO. My heart is heavy, like many of yours. We are losing so many in this coronavirus pandemic. Our churches, our mosque, our community is being devastated by loss. Once again, the news is not good for African Americans in a global pandemic. For 31 years, so many of you have been on this journey with the Balm in Gilead, making sure that African Americans, we get the facts. We get the facts and we build the capacity of our community, build the capacity of our faith communities to be able to address effectively HIV, diabetes, Alzheimer's, other health disparities, and now COVID-19. We must listen to our healthcare professionals. We must stay home. We must practice social distancing. We must. And if we go out, we must do everything that we can to protect ourselves. We must wear a mask. We must wear gloves. We must. Please stay connected to the Balm in Gilead. The Balm in Gilead is where public health and faith connect, making sure that we are working together to bring you the facts. Visit balmandgilead.org and download resources on COVID-19, specifically for the African American community and the African American church. Make sure you download our weekly Sunday morning health corner and make sure everybody, every member, everybody in our congregation and community get these resources. This week, Dr. Rayvan Lee, clinical psychologist, will be my guest on Dr. P on the Pod, my podcast. We'll be discussing the burden of grief that we are experiencing in the African American community. Please stay connected. Go to the website. Stay connected to the Balm in Gilead so you can get updated resources for our community and for our church. Once again, our faith community, we must lead. We must lead, and we must lead effectively. The good news is that we are the children of Harriet Tubman and Frederick Douglass and W.E.B. Du Bois and Joseph Lowry and Martin Luther King and Dorothy Irene Height and Bishop Barbara Harris and Gardner Taylor and Samuel DeWitt Proctor. We are their children. We know something about survival. We know how to take our tears and build up community and build up people. We know how to do this. Stay connected. balmandgilead.org. Stay connected.